Okay, so type of essay, we're going to be doing argumentative essay as a litmus to the others. The reason why I'm going to just be talking about opinion essay or argumentative essay and use that as a standard of approach for others is because I want to, for example, um, a tailor who wants to sew a blouse, um, a kind of blouse, would probably start cutting almost the same way than if he wants to sew um, a buba for a man. So the approach is to an extent is the same, but the methods or the okay, let's say the method is the same, but the approach is different because there are different question types now. So we're going to, as we go on, you are going to understand. You understand what I mean by what I'm saying. But I'm going to use opinion essay or argumentative essay as a litmus for us to understand every other kind of essay that we have discussed. Now let's have this question. We're going to have this question. Many people have opined. Have the okay. Many people have the opinion that qualification is more important to success than character. Okay. Um, then which of these is quite necessary for success to be achieved? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant example from your own knowledge and experience. Many people have opined that qualification is more important to success than, qualification is more important to success than character. Which of these is quite necessary for success to be achieved? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant example from your own knowledge and experience. Now, let me say that your your a typical IELTS question has three parts. Three parts. The first part, which is most of the time in one sentence, the one sentence thing is the background and prompt. Background and prompt. Sometimes it is two sentence prompts, but most of the time it is one sentence. So here you have one sentence background or prompt. It's that sentence that gives you an an inkling into what the question is like. It shows you what the question is like. It gives you a background story, so to speak, to what the question is like. So that's the first part. It's called prompt in many places, and some people prefer to call it background. Now the second thing would be the question. Here you say which of these is quite necessary for success to be achieved, which is akin to what is your opinion about the subject? What is your opinion or what do you think? Is almost the same thing as this. So that is your question. Your question, you remember we just did question type. That is your question. Then here we talk about give reasons. IELTS, a typical IELTS question will have this. Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant example from your own knowledge and experience. If you don't have it exactly this way, you have something that says this. It has the word reason, keywords, reasons. Second one, relevant example. Third one, from your own knowledge and your experience. You would have those keywords in the third part. And the third part says you should give reasons for your answer and include relevant example from your own knowledge and experience. And that is what I call how to respond. They tell you how you should respond. That means in your response, they're expecting they're expecting examples, they're expecting reasons, they're expecting you to bring in reasons and examples from your experience. And this is where I get to tell my students that everything you do, think of IELTS. Once when you are watching movie, think in terms of IELTS. Whatever happens in that movie will help you to do your IELTS very well. When you are reading, think of IELTS. On the road, IELTS. In the church, IELTS. In the banking hall, IELTS. Everything. Because here they say a relevant example from your knowledge and experience. So, which means that there is there's an element, there's a level of um, expertise, or there's a level of finesse that comes into your IELTS writing that arises from your experience, from life experience. You are going to work, and then there's hold up. You are going to work, and then two vehicles hit themselves, excuse me, in an head-on collision manner, or maybe from the bumper from the behind. You never can tell where that might be useful in your IELTS. You see somebody who is obese, you never can tell where that might help you in your IELTS. The kind of houses that there are, your journey, your traveling, you never can tell where that can help you in your IELTS. So having said this, I need you to understand that there are three areas in IELTS, and your knowledge and life experience comes into play in the way you achieve better goals, better scores in your IELTS. So I'm going to have to. I don't know why people are going off. Maybe it's the network, but let's stop it here while we begin again. So please join immediately we um, go off. Thank you very much.